In health news, Spectrum Health now has 9 urgent care centers throughout West Michigan, including the newest one in Ada. The new Ada Urgent Care will bring this important level of care closer to home for patients in that community. Joining me this morning is Dr. Joel Lopez. Good morning. Thanks so much for being here with us.
Good morning. Thank you.
Absolutely. So who do you think is going to use this urgent care?
Well, we're really excited about the Ada opening and having access, and we think it'll be open for everyone as infants, children, and adults, but really in the Ada community, kind of Lowell and Forest Hills area.
We always question, like, when should I be going to urgent care? What kind of signs and symptoms maybe I should move on to more of the emergency room situation? If you want to clear that up, who do you think will be using this?
Yeah, so it's a difficult question, when you're sick and saying, should I seek care or not? And so we always want to encourage people to come in. Ultimately, we want to see kind of non-life-threatening injuries and illnesses like colds, broken bones, cuts in the urgent care location.
And as far as an urgent care, do they have specific hours?
Yeah, great question. So we're open every day of the week, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
All right. Well, as we know, it's flu season right now.
Yeah.
I don't know what you guys have been seeing. If you want to kind of touch on that a little bit, and how do you know if turning to the urgent care for something that seems like flu is right, or you also have something that's called Spectrum Health Now?
Yeah, great question. So with flu season, it's still not, just as a reminder, it's still not too late to get a flu shot. But if you do unfortunately develop influenza symptoms, we want to see you, but also you mentioned the app, and that's something that you can be seen at home through your personal device like a phone or a tablet and be seen by a provider.
And right now we're getting a great look at this beautiful facility. If you guys want to touch on a little bit, slip and fall season is here, right?
Yeah.
We have all those things going on.
Yeah, so be careful outside. Make sure that if you do fall, you're at risk of having an injury like a broken bone. So you want to make sure that that's treated as soon as possible. So if you unfortunately do fall, come on in so we can see you.
All right, upper respiratory infections right now? I know I've been battling something for, like I said, before Thanksgiving. I'll probably have it until about April, I'm guessing, right?
The coughs, colds, and with holiday season, a lot of people getting together, and with that, sharing, memories and emotions, but also sharing illnesses. So, you want to be careful during these holiday seasons.
And some people are so weird about it because they don't know about insurance and how that all works with an urgent care situation, too.
Yeah, so we see everyone, regardless of insurance or not, and you also don't have to be a Spectrum Health patient. And so, again, it's open to the community for everyone.
Wonderful. And you are there at this facility now?
Yes, yeah.
Tell us a little bit about the staff. Who's all there?
Yeah, so we're a group of physician and APP, so physician assistants and nurse practitioners, as well as medical assistants providing care in our community.
I know we had a situation where we went to the urgent care and then we were asked to kind of go by ambulance. Do you guys have the ability to decide, maybe it's time to go on to the next thing, and you can help people get from point A to point B, right?
Absolutely. So unfortunately, we'd like to keep everything within our space, but unfortunately, we do have to transfer to the emergency room. But the nice thing about Spectrum is we're an integrated system, so we are able to communicate well with the emergency departments if we do need to transfer.
Are people able to make an appointment with urgent care?
Yeah. So going on spectrumhealth.org/locations, you actually can see all of our 9 locations and actually see our wait times and check in online, kind of save your spot in advance of actually arriving.
And that's very handy. I know when my son was quite small and we needed to go, but hauling him in and out and going there and sitting and waiting is not really ideal either. So that's perfect if you have a little one.
Absolutely, yeah. So it's always easier to wait at home or in your car before coming. So definitely want to use the check-in on from home.
All right, well, we're glad that you guys are there to help everybody then on that end of town especially too. So if people want to go check you guys out, you're at 7128 Fulton Street East, that's in Ada. The hours are right there on the screen, the number for you. And go to spectrumhealth.org/ADAUC or ADAUC. And you said you had 9 locations, so if this one is busy, maybe move on to the next one, right?
Yeah, we have many across West Michigan.
All right, thanks so much. Have a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.